You may have a spa jet in your spa pool that's no longer operating correctly, and you'll need to replace that. Jets can be confusing, and sometimes jets look very similar. In this video, we'll quickly cover removing the jet face, measuring the jet face, and also how to take a picture to send to us if you need help. Spa jets come in many different types, shapes, and sizes, so it can be confusing when replacing your spa jet. And this video, of course, is to help you determine how to choose the right spa jet for your spa. First, I'm going to really quickly talk about the parts that make up a spa jet. This is a spa jet face, which includes the back, and this is a spa jet body. You'll hardly ever see this part. It's actually behind the shell of your spa. You would only see this from the front. The spa jet face goes into the spa jet body. Depending on what type of jet you have, the model of spa, the jet face will come out differently. It may be a twist, it may be a pull. You'll have to try a couple different ways if you don't know for sure. So the best way to find out what jet face you need is to actually measure the jet face. So first of all, you would look and find a jet face on our website that is similar to the jet face you require. You measure across the front of it. The jets are organized by the face size. Simply measure across the face of the jet from one side to the other. Note that dimension. Take a picture of the front of the jet and the back of the jet and send those to us. We can use those to match your jet. It's important to note that every jet face has a corresponding jet body. So if you purchase a new jet face, it has to fit the jet body that's in your spa, or it won't work. Hopefully after this short video, you understand how to measure your spa pool jet and what is required if you need our help. Thank you for watching, and as always, please visit our website at spastore.co.nz or spastore.com.au.